Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Devil's Cocktail. And we're going to serve this as a martini, so go ahead and put some water and ice in your martini glass and let that sit while you're making the drink. It'll get nice and cool. All right, let's add our ice to the glass and measure out 1 shot of dry vermouth. Whoops. And follow that up with a shot of port. Oh, hey. A little bit wasted. That's okay. And we're going to do a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Or you can just go ahead and grab a couple wedges here and squeeze them in there. There's 1 and 2. That should do it. Got a lot of juice. All right, let's mix this up real well. Got a nice red color. The color of the devil. Smash that against the bar a couple times, and you should get it off there. Get your martini glass ready, and your strainer, and pour it in. That is a Devil's Cocktail. Bottoms up.